everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, and this is episode 41. Picture this. You're at a cool international meetup, people from all over the world are chatting, and someone turns to you with a big smile and says, "Hey, what kind of music do you listen to?" Boom. Perfect chance to make a new friend. But if the words get stuck, it might feel awkward. Today, we're fixing that. We're talking about music you listen to so you can share your favorites confidently.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ben, your co-host and total music addict. Lily's right. Music is the universal language, right? It connects us all. Whether you're into pop, rock, hip-hop, or something totally different, today we'll practice saying it in English. We'll repeat key phrases a lot because repetition is magic for learning, especially for A2 to B1 levels. We'll have fun, laugh a bit, and you'll repeat after us out loud. Ready? Let's turn up the volume.
Nice one, Ben. Let's start with the basics. The most common way to talk about music is "I like listening to," followed by the type or the artist. Ben, what music do you listen to these days?
I like listening to rock music. Classic rock, alternative rock, anything with guitars and drums. Bands like Queen, the Beatles, or Arctic Monkeys. I like listening to rock music because it gives me energy. What about you, Lily? What music do you listen to?
I like listening to pop music. It's catchy, fun, and perfect for singing along. My go-to artists are Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, and Dua Lipa. I like listening to pop music when I'm happy or getting ready in the morning. Listeners, did you hear that phrase, "I like listening to"? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me out loud. I like listening to rock music. Say it slowly first, then faster.
Great. Now try I like listening to pop music. Repeat it 3 times. I like listening to pop music. I like listening to pop music. I like listening to pop music. Feels natural already, right? Awesome job.
Yes. Now, music has different genres. Genre means type of music. Common genres: pop, rock, hip-hop, classical, jazz, electronic, reggae, country, R&B, and many more. Let's practice some. Repeat after me. My favorite genre is pop. Say it. My favorite genre is pop.
Good. Now, my favorite genre is rock. Repeat. My favorite genre is rock. And one more. My favorite genre is hip-hop. Hip-hop has great beats and rhymes. Say it out loud.
Perfect. Hip-hop is super popular worldwide. Artists like Drake, Kendrick Lamar, or older ones like Tupac. Now, classical music, that's Mozart, Beethoven, piano, orchestra. It's relaxing. Repeat. I like classical music because it's relaxing.
Yes, or jazz, smooth with saxophones and improvisation. Improvisation means making it up as you play. Repeat. I like jazz music. Say it.
Ben, you're making me want to list all genres. Let's add electronic music, or EDM, electronic dance music. Great for dancing at parties. Repeat. I like EDM because it's energetic.
Energetic, full of energy. And reggae, chill vibes from Jamaica, Bob Marley style. Repeat. I like reggae music because it's chill. Chill means relaxed.
Love that. Country music, stories about life, love, trucks. Some people love it, some not. Repeat. I like country music. Or if not, we'll practice I don't like later.
R&B, rhythm and blues, smooth voices like The Weeknd or Alicia Keys. Repeat. I like R&B.
Indie music, independent artists, not big companies. Often unique sound. Repeat. I like indie music.
K-pop, Korean pop, super catchy dances, groups like BTS or Blackpink. Repeat. I like K-pop.
Yes, so many genres. Listeners, pause now and think, what is your favorite genre? Say out loud. My favorite genre is...
Excellent. Now let's talk about favorite songs or artists. Key phrase. My favorite song is. Lily, what's your favorite song right now?
Right now, my favorite song is Anti-Hero by Taylor Swift. The lyrics are honest and fun. Lyrics mean the words of the song. What's yours, Ben?
My favorite song is Don't Stop Me Now by Queen. It's fast, happy, makes me feel unstoppable. Listeners, practice. Repeat after me. My favorite song is. Then add your song. For example, my favorite song is Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. Say it out loud.
Yes. Or, my favorite artist is Billie Eilish. Repeat. My favorite artist is Billie Eilish.
Or, my favorite band is Coldplay. Band means group of musicians. Repeat. My favorite band is Imagine Dragons.
Great. Now, why do we like certain music? We say, because. Repeat after me. I like this music because it's upbeat. Upbeat means happy and fast.
I like it because it has good lyrics. Repeat that.
Because it relaxes me. Repeat. Because it relaxes me.
Because it motivates me. Motivates means gives motivation, like gym music.
Exactly. When do you listen to music, Ben?
I listen to music in the morning to wake up, in the car while driving, at the gym while exercising, and at night to relax. Key phrase, I listen to music while. Repeat, I listen to music while driving.
Good. I listen to music while cooking. Repeat that. Cooking becomes more fun with music.
I listen to music while studying, but not too loud. Haha. Some people can't concentrate with lyrics.
True. I listen to music while working. Repeat.
Or I listen to music on the bus, with headphones, of course.
Headphones. Small speakers in your ears. Repeat. I use headphones.
Now, playlists. A playlist is a list of songs you create on apps like Spotify or YouTube Music. I have a playlist for running, one for chill evenings. Repeat, I have a playlist for.
I have a playlist for parties. Say it.
Haha, your parties must be epic. What if we don't like some music? We say, I don't like, or I'm not really into. Into means interested in.
For example, Ben, what music are you not into?
I'm not really into opera. Opera is dramatic singing, very powerful voices, but too intense for me every day. No hate, just not my taste. Taste means preference.
Taste in music. Repeat, my taste in music is...
My taste in music is varied. Varied means many different types.
Or, I'm not into heavy metal. Heavy metal, very loud, fast guitars. Repeat, I'm not into heavy metal.
I'm not into country music. Some love the stories. I prefer guitars.
Everyone's different. That's cool. No judgment. Now let's practice asking questions. What music do you listen to? Repeat that question out loud.
What's your favorite genre? Repeat.
What's your favorite song? Say it.
Do you like genre? For example, do you like hip-hop? Repeat.
Now, concerts. A concert is a live music show. I went to a concert last year. Repeat.
The concert was amazing. Or the crowd was singing along. Singing along means singing with the artist.
The atmosphere was electric. Atmosphere means the feeling. Repeat, I love going to concerts.
Me too, but tickets can be expensive. I want to go to a concert by...
Yes, or music festivals. Many artists in one place. I dream of going to Glastonbury. Repeat, I want to go to a music festival.
Fun! Now instruments. Guitar, drums, piano, bass, violin. I play the guitar. Repeat.
I want to learn the piano. Say it.
The drums are my favorite instrument. Drums, boom, boom.
Loud but cool. Music in mood. Mood is how you feel. When I'm happy, I listen to pop. Repeat.
When I'm sad, I listen to slow songs or ballads. Ballads are emotional, slow songs.
When I need energy, I listen to rock. Repeat. When I need energy,
I listen to rock. Music changes my mood. Changes means improves or matches.
yes, discovering new music. My friend recommended this song. Recommended means suggested.
I discovered this artist on TikTok. Discover means find new.
Or YouTube, radio, Spotify recommendations. Have you heard this song? Heard means listen to.
Yes, I have. Or no, play it for me.
Let's do a full mini conversation. Ben, pretend we're at a party.
Hey Lily, what music do you listen to?
Hi, Ben. I like listening to pop music. My favorite artist is Taylor Swift. What music do you listen to?
I like listening to rock music. My favorite band is Queen. Have you heard Bohemian Rhapsody?
Yes, it's epic. I sing along every time.
Me too. What's your favorite song right now?
Levitating by Dua Lipa. It makes me dance. Do you like dancing?
Sometimes when no one's watching, haha.
Listeners, try that conversation with a friend or in the mirror. Add your own music.
Now, more phrases. This song is stuck in my head. Stuck means can't stop thinking about it.
It's an earworm. Earworm, catchy song that repeats in your brain.
I can't stop humming it. Humming means singing without words.
Fun. Oldies, old songs. I love oldies from the 80s.
Classics never get old.
Soundtracks, music from movies. The soundtrack from Harry Potter is magical.
I listen to movie soundtracks while working.
Covers, when one artist sings another song. I prefer the cover version.
Acoustic versions, just guitar or piano, no full band.
Acoustic music is so relaxing. Repeat.
Karaoke. I love doing karaoke with friends.
Even if my voice is not perfect. Voice means singing voice.
Nobody cares, it's fun.
Sharing music. I sent you a song on WhatsApp.
Thanks, I'll add it to my playlist.
Radio hits or underground music. Underground means not famous yet.
I like discovering underground artists.
Vinyl records, old big discs. Collecting vinyl is cool.
Streaming, listening online without downloading.
I stream music every day.
Live streams, concerts online. I watched a live stream during lockdown.
Now, world music. Latin music, salsa, reggaeton.
Reggaeton is perfect for dancing, like Bad Bunny.
African beads, Indian classical, so diverse.
Diverse means different.
If you were a song, then, what would you be?
Something energetic, like Eye of the Tiger, motivational.
I'd be Dancing Queen, fun and free.
Listeners say if I were a song, I'd be...
Great. One more interactive round. Repeat 3 times. What music do you listen to? I like listening to pop because it's catchy.
Or rock, or whatever you like.
Okay, time to wrap up this music party.
Today we practiced so many things, saying I like listening to, talking about genres like pop, rock, hip-hop, classical, jazz, EDM, reggae, and more. Favorite songs, artists, bands, why we like music, because it's upbeat, relaxing, motivating.
When and where we listen, while driving, cooking, exercising, studying, playlists, headphones, concerts, festivals, instruments, moods, discovering new music, karaoke, sharing, and even not liking some genres with I'm not into.
We repeated key phrases a lot, saying my favorite is, I listen to music while, because, when I'm, questions like what music do you listen to, and full mini conversations.
You did amazing repeating out loud. That's how you improve speaking and confidence.
Homework. Talk to someone real about music this week, or comment your favorite song below. Practice every day. A new episode comes out every day.
You're getting better and better at English. Keep going. You're awesome.
Thanks for listening to episode 41. See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone. Keep the music on and think in English.